In this video, I'm going to be showing to you the differences between published and preview only options when you're finalizing your auctions. So these are for determining the visibility of your auctions when you're finished making them. And you'll find these options on the edit auction page at the very top, right under save and save and add lot buttons. So if you click on published, then the auction will be displayed on the home page of the website to all users that go on your website, and the catalog can be seen by anyone that clicks on the auction. If published is not checked and preview only is checked, then the auction will not be displayed on the home page, and the catalog can only be seen by admin users on your website. If you click on published and preview only at the same time, then the auction will be displayed on the home page for your website, but only admin users will be able to access it, and that goes for the lots as well. So only admin users can see the auction and the lot, but it will be displayed on the home page. And then lastly, if neither box is checked, then the auction won't be displayed at all on the website, and the catalogs won't be displayed either. And the only way you can send this auction to other people is through a direct link. Then, of course, the admin users can see the auction. So in reality, you have 4 options instead of just 2. By combining different variations of published and preview only, you can really determine exactly who gets to see the auctions and where they're seen as well. So I hope you found this video useful, and thank you again for watching.